Hey puzzler, welcome to the Payazi channel. Here is the mastic puzzle. Move 2 matches to make 7 square from 5 square. In the picture we got 5 square. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 square in the corner and the one big square. So we have to make 7 square from this 5 square. Let's start with the solution. First we will move these matches. I have got 2 solutions by the way. So this is the first solution. The one move is done and this is the second move. So we can see that there are 7 square. Let's count it. One big 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and another is this is the 7 square. And the second solution is coming back to the original picture. The second solution is if I move this one in the middle and another here, so this will make 7 square. How? Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hope you have enjoyed this puzzle solution. Please like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe to Payazi channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.